Hi guys, I hope you can see this bumper growth of tomatoes on my tomato plants. This is all on my terrace. I hope you can see these. See, see these tomatoes growing in bunches and clusters. See. And these are growing in two of my grow bags and one round pot. Once again, I'll show you the bumper growth of tomatoes in these, and then I'll take you to the other pots where tomatoes are growing fabulously. Once more, you see these. I'm really excited for the day when they grow red and I'll harvest these tomatoes. I hope you can see these bunches. And now you can see the tomatoes in one of the drums, which is cut into half, and I had grown almost, I think, 3 4 or 5 plants in this. And you can see how tomatoes are growing. See this bunch. I hope I'm able to see you these. See these, and you can see the size of the tomatoes. See, and all these tomatoes will grow big like this one. And see, look at this also. This tomato, look at this tomato also. And friends, I am not using any chemical at all, because what is the use of growing vegetables on your terrace if you have to put chemicals in it? These are all organically grown, all. And now you can see these 3 crates, in this green one and in this red one. Cherry tomatoes are growing, and in this crate tomatoes are growing, and see their growth. First of all, I would like to show you the tomatoes. See how nicely they are growing. I think they are very happy here, you know. And one of these tomatoes is ready to be harvested, and many of the cherry tomatoes I'll harvest today because they are ready. See, look at these cherry tomatoes. Can you see? You know, these are priceless, because when we consume these kind of vegetables which are organically grown without any chemical fertilizer or pesticide, you know, it means we are not putting any kind of poison in our stomachs, in our body. So whatever food you can eat, or you can make your family eat, that is really a blessing. You know, all the hard work which we put in growing these, you know, it turns into a blessing when we get these vegetables. And see this bunch which is hanging on the side of this bucket, sorry, on the side of this basket. See this bunch, and see, so beautiful cherry tomatoes, no, isn't it? So I'll show you all 3 of these from a distance, and I hope you are able to see these tomatoes which are growing in abundance. So all these are priceless, you know, because they are totally pure. And now look at this pot. I hope you are able to see. It has also started producing tomatoes. See these tomatoes. Can you see these bunches? They're all growing in bunches and clusters. Look at these. We have to, you know, hold it with very soft hand, all these bunches, because otherwise tomatoes tend to break from the plant, which I never ever want. Can you see? Yes. And you know, many flowers are also growing, indicating that many more tomatoes will grow on this plant. And this is only, these are 2 plants. Yes, 2 plants in this pot. Now this plant, the last one which I'm going to show you, has also started to produce tomatoes. I can see 2 tomatoes here, and they will grow red in a very short time. And I can see many flowers indicating that many more tomatoes will come on it. So can you see, I can see only 2 tomatoes till now, and I'm very hopeful that many more tomatoes will be grown on this plant. Plants of tomatoes are also growing in these 4 grow bags. I'll show you from a distance because otherwise you will not be able to see 4 of them. I hope you are able to see these plants of tomato. Yes, and the tomato plants are very healthy, and I'm very, very sure that tomatoes will be grown on these too. But I'll have to wait for a little more because this is how I keep on doing. I grow saplings of tomato at small intervals, and then I keep on planting those saplings, and those saplings then grow into plants. If we do that in shifts, we keep on getting tomatoes at regular intervals. This is the secret of getting tomatoes for a longer time. Friends, I hope you have liked this video. If you have really liked this growth of tomatoes on my terrace garden, please hit the like button. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would request you to subscribe to my channel so that you can get updates of my terrace garden as and when I upload any video. Bye for now, friends. See you soon. Till then, take care of yourselves.